Yes, this is rotation matrix for Cartesian robot. Where we have three prismatic joint. Now we need to write rotation matrix R01. R rotation matrix 0 to 1.
This
Okay?
is 0 and this one.
Yes. For this, first we will write the frame matrix and then the rotation matrix. But we know that because it is prismatic joint, so there is no rotation. So the rotation matrix will be always identity matrix. So we just need to write the frame. What's the frame difference here? So you can check what you have to write. X1, Y1, Z1, X0, Y0, Z0. So X1 is in this direction and it is in alignment with the X0, or what? It is perpendicular to X0 because X0 is inside the page and it is like this. So it will be 0. X1, Y0, that will be 1. X1, Z0, 0 because X1 is perpendicular to 0. Now Y1 is in this direction. So Y1 with X0, again perpendicular, 0. Y1 with Y0, perpendicular, that is 0. Y1 with Z0, that is 1 because they are in the same direction. Now Z1 with X0, both are in the same direction, so it is 1. And Z1 with Y0, that is 0 because these are perpendicular. Y0 is like this and Z0 is in this direction. And Z1 and Z0 also 0. Okay. Now we already know that we usually what we do, we multiply it with the rotation matrix, but because this is prismatic joint, so that will be the rotation matrix will be identity matrix. So we have only this for the rotation 0 to 1. Now rotation 1 to 2. Again we only need to write this frame matrix. So it will be X2, Y2, Z2 with the X1, Y1, Z1. X2 is in this direction, in the direction of X1. So it will be 1. And for the Y1 and Z1, this X2 will be 0. Now Y2 is outside the page. Outside the page, it means for the X1, it will be 0. For the Y1, it will be 0. And for the Z1, because it's outside the page and Z1 is inside the page, it is -1. And now Z2 is in this direction. So for the X1, it will be 0. Z2 and Y1 is the same direction. So it is 1. Z2 with Z0 is 0. So this is rotation matrix for 1 to 2. Again, because this is also prismatic joint, so no rotation, that rotation matrix will be, it is only translational matrix. So it would be 0. Identity matrix, so we will not write that one. Because if you will multiply it with identity matrix, the result will be the same. So this is the rotation for 1 to 2. Now 2 to, yes, 3. 2 to 3.
Okay.
2 to 3. So this is X3, Y3, Z3 and X2, Y2, Z2. And now can you tell me what will be the matrix? Because these both are in the same direction, so it will be identity matrix. you can check that yes, x3 and x2 same direction. Okay, z2 z3 same direction, y2 y3 same direction, so they are identical, so it would be identity matrix. Now if you will write rotation 0 to 3, then you will multiply all these matrix. Rotation 0 to 1 into rotation 1 to 2 into rotation 2 to 3. It means you will multiply all these three matrix.